Hey Loovelys, it's me Fvaourite here, another video. And I haven't posted in a while. Well, the truth is I'm only posting now on Friday and Saturday. And yeah, I know this is weird, but some other days I'm also gonna post, but not a lot because I kinda am busy with online school, and I'm pretty sure some of you guys also are. And some of you guys are not, but when I have free time, I will totally do videos like this. Yeah, so today I'm just gonna be, I don't know what I'm doing. I just wanted to tell you guys that, and I called you guys before berries, right? And I'm also changing it to Loovelys because berries just seems like a thing that people already use, you know. Yeah, and I'm gonna be just showing you guys a video that people shouldn't do, okay? I mean, they could have listed. Okay, also I gotta tell you guys, I will show you guys my gadget, and also, yeah, also I commented on that, and also I didn't do that. I was just acting stupid like I don't know. But this is my account, yeah. Yeah, I don't care, whatever. That's not true. That's just before I was like, did you before that? That was me, the view, okay? There. I'm literally a dumb kid. I don't know, a person or kid or a child or teen or whatever. What is my notification? Also, guys, if you guys haven't subscribed, what you waiting for? I mean, look me in the eyes. I'm pretty sure you can't see me, but look me in the eyes and tell me a good reason why you didn't subscribe. I mean, literally like the video you're watching right now. Here's the subscribe. There's no deal. And then hit the subscribe button. And you're done. Yeah, and also don't mind my weird. Actually, mind it. I don't really care. You hypers will, but Dereka gets cancelled. Typing, pulling Kenzie Ziegler. Rude. See, this is me acting dumb, and I replied to it. I don't believe it. I'll show you the music I have, little. I'll just go up and show you the video I made because I'm really good at. I'm not really good. I'm just saying. I really gotcha logic. Showing my gotcha. Just feel like you guys need to know. I stopped at the cringiness. Anji, this is the cringiness shorty. You know what? My microphone keeps not working, and this is so annoying. Oh, you are able to people to Karina Kurzwa was calling. Can't they just be old friends for once? Be mean to. Nah, I'm not saying that. For 24 hours, okay? I'm just gonna end this video right here. Bye. Love you guys. Stay safe, Loovelys. Peace out, Loovelys.